Hey, subbies and friends, this is Lady T. I hope you are all doing good. I'm just coming in to say hello and check in and just talk about my hero today. I've been out in these streets enjoying spring, loving all the pretty flowers coming in. This is one of my favorite times of the year. So I'm just coming in to show you this product I bought from Burlington Co Factory. And you know, I love Burlington Co Factory. They always have a lot of great hair products. And this is basically what it looked like. Enjoy.